Embarking on a culinary journey through the flavors of Africa. Hello, fellow travelers and food enthusiasts. Welcome back to another mouth-watering episode of Africa is Not a Jungle. It's an absolute pleasure to have you join us today as we set forth on a delectable adventure, delving deep into the rich tapestry of African cuisine. But before we embark on this tantalizing journey, make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things Africa is Not a Jungle. So without further ado, let's settle in, get ready to tantalize our taste buds, and enjoy the ride. Africa is a melting pot of culinary cultures. Africa's culinary landscape is as diverse as its cultures, reflecting centuries of trade, migration, and indigenous traditions. Each region boasts a unique blend of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that tell the stories of its people. From the aromatic spices of North Africa to the fiery chilies of West Africa, our culinary journey unveils the crossroads where cultures meet on the plate. North African Delights. Our journey commences in North Africa where the air is perfumed with the aroma of exotic spices. Indulge in the fragrant tagines of Morocco where tender meats and vegetables are slow-cooked to perfection. Savor the flaky layers of Algerian pastries and the rich flavors of Egyptian kushari. In this region, culinary artistry intertwines with centuries-old traditions, creating a feast for both the palate and the senses. The heart and heat of West Africa. As we venture further, West Africa beckons with its vibrant and spicy cuisine. Brace yourself for the fiery Scotch bonnet peppers and bold flavors of jollof rice, a beloved dish that sparks friendly debates across the region. Discover the art of fufu and soup, a comforting and communal meal that symbolizes togetherness. The melodies of West African cuisine harmonizes with the rhythms of life, a celebration of flavor and community. East African culinary treasures. Our culinary voyage takes place to the enchanting landscape of East Africa, where diverse cultures merge to create unique dishes. Sample the savory injera and aromatic stews of Ethiopia, a tradition that's both a meal and a communal experience. Journey to the coastal regions for a taste of Swahili cuisine, where spices from distant lands meld with local ingredients to craft unforgettable flavors. Southern African gastronomy. As we journey south, the flavors of Southern Africa unfold like a vibrant tapestry. Sink your teeth into the succulent braai, a celebration of grilled meats that brings communities together. Explore the hearty pot jekas, a slow-cooked stew that embodies the spirit of sharing. And don't miss out on the iconic biltong, a savory snack that encapsulates the rich history of the region's culinary traditions. Fusion and innovation, modern African cuisine. In the heart of our culinary expedition, we uncover the evolving landscape of modern African cuisine. Innovative chefs and food enthusiasts are reimagining traditional dishes, infusing them with contemporary flair. Experience the marriage of old and new as flavors from the past meet techniques from around the world. It is a testament to Africa's dynamic spirit and its embrace of culinary exploration. The essence of street food. No exploration of African cuisine is complete without indulging in the vibrant world of street food. From bustling marketplaces to lively street corners, street food vendors offer a glimpse into the heart of local culture. Sample the delectable suya in Nigeria, the mouth-watering bani chow in South Africa, and the addictive plantain chips that are cherished across the continent. Culinary rituals and traditions. Delve into the fascinating culinary rituals and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Witness the communal process of cooking ugali in Kenya, where shared meals bring families and friends together. Experience the spiritual significance of offerings in African indigenous cultures, where food is more than sustenance. It's a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. Preserving heritage through food. African cuisine is not just about flavors. It's a vehicle for preserving heritage and telling stories. Traditional dishes carry the legacy of ancestors and serve as a means of cultural preservation. Explore the efforts of communities to document and share ancestral recipes, ensuring that the flavors of the past continue to inspire and nourish future generations. Culinary tourism and cultural exchange. Our culinary journey concludes with a look at the rising trend of culinary tourism, where travelers from around the world are drawn to Africa to savor its diverse flavors. Culinary festivals, cooking classes, and immersive food experiences offer a unique way to engage with local communities and learn about their traditions. Through food, bridges are built, friendships are formed, and cultures are celebrated. As our culinary journey through the flavors of Africa comes to a close, we find ourselves nourished not only by the delicious dishes, but by the stories, traditions, and shared experiences they represent. From the aromatic spices of North Africa to the fiery chilies of West Africa, the vibrant tapestry of East African cuisine to the hearty feast of Southern Africa, and the innovation of modern fusion, Africa's culinary scene is a true reflection of its people, diverse, creative, and full of life. This has been Africa is Not a Jungle, inviting you to explore the extraordinary world of African cuisine with us. If your taste buds are as excited as ours, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your support fuels our mission to showcase the rich culture, history, and flavors of the continent. Until next time, keep savoring the journey and remember, Africa is not a jungle.